Was there ever a year na nasabi niyo ng the summer of love? Could it be this year or not last year or the previous year?
This year.
Oh, sure, listen up.
Yeah.
This year daw.
Kasi kakadating lang din namin from my birthday vacation. So parang nag-kick off na yung
Sa bucket list ba yung pinuntahan niyo?
yeah, yung sa El Nido po. So doon ko sinelebrate birthday ko with my friends. So yeah, this year maybe.
Pati namin nalaman doon kayo.
And then we're going to school.
Okay.
4 days.
Best year, best summer ka.
Yes.
Would DJ say the same? Best summer?
Yes. Very happy ako na yung, kasi kakadali lang din namin sa Palawan kasi para sa birthday niya. And masaya kami na nag-work yung birthday niya. And sobrang nag-enjoy si Catherine. And dun sa trip namin yung parang napakasaya lang, sarap. Kaya, eto, it's summer love.
Summer love. Ayan siya. Mateo, may year ba?
I think this summer because just celebrating my birthday and it was very nice because I spent with my loved ones in
Saan ka celebrate ang birthday mo?
Sa Cebu po. Cebu. So I was able to, spend with everybody. And also, I think this summer is very exciting because, I'll start saying we'll give the chance to work with these guys. And I swear I fell in love with this love. I told them.
Dinaan sa trabaho. Dinaan tayo sa trabaho ni Mateo. Sige!
Sobrang fan ko talaga. Dati na pinapanood ko sa TV, sa mga, Star Magic Pictures, but now, seeing the Magic on screen, I know that iba sila eh. Iba, the way they look at each other, the way they do things together, it makes you happy. It makes me happy.
Oh. God.
So,
Thank you, Matthew. Oh, pero hindi ka nagkakalit, okay na